Hello everyone, I'm Seema Potrick. Welcome to my channel Natural and Spiritual Healing. Now today I have removed a few card spreads for the Bigg Boss contestant who are nominated for this week, who are Abhinav, Rubina, Ali and Jasmine. So I've removed this spread of 4 cards, and I have used 2 sets over here to get the precise answer. Let us check what are the messages for them, or who will be likely being evicted in this week. So let us see. Okay, so now we have Abhinav. As we all know that he has got lot of strength. He has really worked hard, not hard I would say, but he has always been himself, the way he was, even though he was many a times he was said that he is on the show because of Rubina, but he did not let that affect him. And today the cards also are telling me that he is going to be one of the very strong contestant in this house, and because of this he has a lot of abundance in the show. Because of the show he'll get a lot of abundance, I would say. On the other hand, if you see Rubina's card, Rubina is going through a lot of mental chaos at the moment, and there are many ups and downs. But yes, she is also a very strong contestant on the show. But then her mind is totally blocked with a lot of questions and answers that is in this show. Maybe outside also, because of the family member who had come to meet her. Then we have Ali. Ali has enjoyed a lot in the show, and we can see that he's trying to analyze himself right now. He is in a place where he wants to know what is his existence in this life, and which is also needed. So yes, Ali is doing also a very good job. He's really worked to that mark, and we all like him. We have Jasmine on the other hand, who is like a real warrior, I would say. And she has to really understand the situation, because she just jumps into things. She does not understand the pros and cons, and she just goes on jumping into situations. That's what the card is showing. She has to really go through a lot of understanding. So it might look beautiful on the outside world, but it is not really like that. She has to understand that she has to mature. She can't be a baby anymore. So from all these cards reading, what I can see, I don't see anyone being evicted. I don't know why, but my third sense, it tells me, if I have that sense, it tells me that nobody will be evicted. No, I don't see anyone being evicted from the show. At least for this week, I don't see anyone being evicted. So I would just rather wait for the show and see, instead of giving my damn conclusion, because the readings itself are not telling me that okay, they are going to be evicted. They are a very strong contestant. But if I could say, if someone is really, I can see a tie between Ali and Jasmine. This two. I always thought it would be Abhinav, but then this this time, after seeing the cards, I don't think so. It could be Abhinav. I think it is Jasmine or Ali who might be evicted from the show, if ever. And on the higher side, I would say it would be Ali. That's that's what I can see in this card. But uh, I don't know why, but I feel nobody will be evicted in this show. So I'll just wait for the prediction, and if ever if ever there is an eviction this week, then Ali would be the one who would be evicted from the show. Yes, I from these cards at least I can say this. And Rubina, please, 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 you're doing very good. You have to really come out of that clog that is bothering you now. I hope you like this card reading, and we will wait for this eviction. And I hope nobody gets evicted, because Ali is also my favorite. So I don't want him to get really evicted. But yes, if ever there is eviction, then I would say Ali would be evicted from the show. Thank you.